Are you looking for the best action cameras for hunting? In this video we will look at some of the best action cameras for hunting on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SJCAM Flagship SJ11 Action Camera. Searching for a powerful sport camera often leads people to a device that feels reliable, inspiring, and ready for every adventure. The SJCAM Flagship SJ11 Action Camera brings that feeling the moment someone imagines capturing life in motion. From sunrise rides to deep water exploration, every moment becomes a vivid memory that feels alive long after the adventure ends. Outdoor lovers want a camera that keeps up with their passion. The SJCAM Flagship SJ11 Action Camera is designed for travelers, cyclists, divers, vloggers, and explorers who refuse to miss important moments. Clear 4KB video recording combined with advanced active high dynamic range technology helps create bright, detailed scenes that look natural and cinematic. Every frame feels energetic, making action-packed experiences look smooth and immersive. A large 2.33-inch touchscreen makes viewing recordings comfortable and engaging. Controlling settings feels simple, which allows creators to stay focused on their journey rather than complicated controls. Built-in 5 GHz wireless connection makes sharing clips fast and convenient, helping users instantly relive exciting experiences with friends and family. Adventure does not stop at land. This action camera is built for water environments, allowing explorers to capture underwater stories without fear. Every dive, wave, or splash transforms into a powerful visual story. For anyone who loves movement, freedom, and unforgettable moments, the SJCAM Flagship SJ11 Action Camera becomes more than a device. It becomes a companion for memories that deserve to be seen again and again. Number 2. SJCAM SJ8 Pro Action Camera. Adventure creates moments that people wish to remember forever. The SJCAM SJ8 Pro Action Camera helps capture those powerful memories in a vivid and exciting way. Travelers, cyclists, hikers, and water sport lovers often look for a dependable camera that can follow their passion. This action camera turns everyday exploration into a visual story that feels energetic and inspiring. Outdoor experiences move quickly, and every second matters. The SJCAM SJ8 Pro Action Camera records stunning 4KB 60 frames per second video that brings motion, color, and atmosphere together. Each scene appears smooth and lively, allowing viewers to feel the excitement of the journey. Mountain trails, ocean waves, and road trips can be preserved with impressive clarity that makes every adventure look unforgettable. A responsive touch display measuring 2.33 inches allows simple navigation while reviewing footage. Creators can manage recordings comfortably without interrupting the flow of their adventure. Built-in 5 GHz wireless connection allows quick sharing, making it easy to send travel memories to friends, family, or online audiences. Movement can create shaking footage, yet advanced stabilization technology helps maintain balanced and steady visuals. This creates a more enjoyable viewing experience for travel storytelling, vlogging, and outdoor content creation. Waterproof capability allows explorers to film underwater discoveries and capture thrilling aquatic moments. For individuals who enjoy documenting life beyond ordinary routines, the SJCAM SJ8 Pro Action Camera becomes an inspiring companion that transforms exciting experiences into lasting visual memories. Number 3. Action Camera 5K 4K Action Camera. Adventure lovers often search for a camera that can transform energetic moments into lasting memories. An action camera designed for bicycle riding, helmet recording, and outdoor exploration brings excitement to every journey. Riders moving through winding roads, mountain paths, or city streets want a device that can capture the thrill of movement without missing important scenes. A powerful sport camera makes those experiences feel alive even after the ride ends. High-resolution 5KB and 4KB video recording allows every landscape, road, and horizon to appear vivid and detailed. Fast-moving environments become clear and engaging, helping viewers feel the rush of speed and freedom. Electronic stabilization technology helps maintain smooth visual storytelling, creating balanced footage even during challenging rides or intense outdoor activity. This allows cyclists, travelers, and adventure seekers to document their passion with confidence. Built-in wireless connection allows quick sharing through wireless network, helping creators instantly show exciting clips to friends, family, or online audiences. The compact design makes helmet recording simple and practical, giving writers the ability to capture real experiences from a natural point of view. Outdoor storytelling becomes more meaningful when every journey can be recorded beautifully. A modern action camera designed for sport and travel helps transform cycling trips, road adventures, and outdoor exploration into powerful visual memories that people can relive again and again.